again, back in the rehearsal room.
Welcome back.
Welcome
Season
back.
1, represent.
Hello, kumusta?
Ayan, oh.
So, are you ready?
Anong
We're
gagawin
gonna
natin?
go on a mix of an Argentine paso and a little bit of cha-cha-cha, and of course, the liftings is always present.
Transport na naman.
Yes. Yun daw ang pinapanalo mo nung nasa ano tayo season 1
Akala ko,
So,
nakatakas
yan.
na ako.
Yung dating mo dun sa, ewan ko, ang lakas sabi niya of all dances na hindi ko genre, yun yung pinapanalo ko.
Pero teka lang, Coach. It's
Yeah.
transport for 3.
Yes, for 3. So this is going to be a big challenge for all of us. Even ako, when I was developing this one, hirap ako na aralin ko with my partner on the left
I mean,
and then
I
my
bet,
partner
yeah.
on the back, on the side, tapos meron sa back, meron sa harap. So it was crazy, but we're gonna make it possibly entertaining and very good at the point na ma-enjoy nyo din tatlo.
So, saan ako papasok dyan?
Yeah. Meron tayong mga movements na
Hindi rin namin alam.
nakalagay sa'yo na kasi meron din movement na kayong magkasama tapos si Proco yung iikot on the side. And then, normally, hindi natin nakikita to on television, pero this time, it's going to be the first na magkakaroon tayo ng 3 sa dance sport. So, hopefully, ma-embrace ng mga iba at ma-enjoy natin. And then, ma-enjoy nyo din. Start tayo with the paso doble feel muna.
Okay.
Okay?
Marunong pa ba ako?
Ano natin? I-develop natin yan.
Yung finale,
Yes.
yun yung huling dance sport.
Correct, yung dance part na yan. At may mga room
natin
part na yan.
nalagay.
So, remember when we do paso doble, it's more of the chest, the sternum up, and then yung one leg natin, gagawin natin, flex siya or bent, and then straight. So then when you move across, boom. Yes, pag-cross again ha, and then leave to the side, and then yung right foot mo, magsuswitch lang, boom. And then lagi wala tayong kembot, so it has to be strong. Now, apart from that, we're gonna do another set. Go 1 across, foot to the side, on the ball of the foot, and switch. Now, ang kamay ninyo, para gumalaw yan, lagi siyang opposition siya sa kabilang side. Yan. And then, body's not turning, let the arm swing around, but use your shoulders so hindi tayo maninigas sa kamay. Pag kamay kasing gumamit yan, mahirapan tayong mag-move from one side to the other. So, pag gumalaw na yan, is going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You put the accent on the last para to close the room. Okay, moving again. Let's do it again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Para tayong may hawak na cape. So, because we're matadors in a bull ring. Okay? Yes, may ganun ang feeling yan. So, kaya opposition sa ito yung itsura niyan. So, we deceive the bull by putting our head away para akala niya nandito yung body, kaya mga matador natin, di ba? So, we're gonna start it again. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then, when we flick the foot, we're gonna close right foot to left, tas flick. Yan. Yan na siya. Okay, isa yan sa mga magagawa natin later. Okay? So now, let's switch to an Argentine tango feel. So Argentine tango, ano tayo ha? Tatluhan na naman to. Sana kapag Argentine tango ka na with a male, ngayon lalagyan natin ang babae sa gitna. Okay. So yung isang tango ninyo is an international tango, so this is a different feel. So try natin on yung switch na yun nakaganto. Ayan, back. Pero we're more on the swiveling part. So here, habang ginagawa ni Sofia yung forward niya ng 1, 2, and 3. So while Sofia goes up with the leg, pase, kayo naman ni Josh tsaka ni Rocco will go boom, swivel, para maikot siya. And then now we go again, 1, and close, and 2, at other foot.
Sorry.
Yan. And then ronde tayo ulit dito. Okay, now after this, we're gonna turn to the left para maharap dito. Okay, and then we're gonna dance another set of swiveling action na magkasama. So, walang maiiwanan.
And I think for me, malaki naman kasi tiwala ko din talaga sa kanila both. Especially Kuya Rocco, ilang beses na rin kami magkasama. Si Joshua, alam kong...
Kakilala lang namin.
Kakilala lang namin, pero napanood ko kasi siya sa season 1 eh. So alam ko kung paano siya magbuhat. And I think it's I think we just need time.
Yeah.
And ayun nga, sabi na niya kanina na yung mga lift na ganito, it takes time talaga to be comfortable with yung kaduo mo. So, we're trying to do it ng sobrang bilis na oras. Pero I think, with the time na we have, I think we're doing really well. Talaga.
Challenge talaga. Kahit nung last year, ilang weeks namin winner yun ni Thea that time since siya yung permanent duo ko na.
So I think familiar na rin talaga yung tinatry namin gawing lift kasi na-try din nila ni Thea before.
Kung weeks ang kailangan dito, one day, kaya na natin.
Oo. Kaya
Kailangan eh.
Kaya.
Yes,
Kayang-kaya.
thank you so much.
Bukas, we're gonna slay it.
Bigyan niyo lang kami ng oras.
Oo.
Mga 1 month.
Oo.
on the floor.